Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin, starting on the weekly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So, anyways, I do think on the weekly time frame that this still looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and I still think it looks like it needs to go up and take out the previous highs for a wave 5. Now, keep in mind that if this really is a wave 5, what's likely to happen is it will take out the previous highs and then most likely reverse down in a very big way, probably taking out eventually the low of wave 4. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. Very, very sideways, very messy pattern, and I definitely could see a pretty clear little channel right here too. I don't really normally follow channels, but it definitely seems like a pretty clear channel. That right here did make a pretty significant bounce off the top of the channel, which is probably why it's such a big pullback. I think it is a wave 4. I still think this is a 1, a 2, and I still think that this is likely a wave 3 and that it's eventually going to go up and finish off making a wave 3, make a wave 4, and make a wave 5. I think we're going to go up someplace between the $78,000 to $76,000 area. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down because to me this is very, very clearly 5 waves down. So you would think that this would only be a wave A, and that you would also think that this would also be a wave B right here, which is probably going to look something like that. Maybe go to the 78 or the 61, and then probably make another attempt down for a wave C before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. Now we do have to be a little bit cautious in these situations because sometimes what we think is a wave B will actually just keep on trending up. So we have to be very cautious with sorting it, and we also have to be very cautious that we don't miss the long if it really does just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, on the 1 hour time frame, this definitely looks like 5 waves down to me. So that's why I think it's a wave A. This move up also looks like a trend, which is why I think it's an A of B. This is probably a B of B, and it's probably going to try to go up again to at least the 68 or the 78% for a C of wave B. Now, if you go long at the end of this wave B and it just bounces from fib levels and doesn't break structure, then I would just hold on to my long because, like I said, sometimes what you think is a wave B will just keep on trending up. On the other hand, if you think it's a wave B and it goes up to one of these two Fibonacci levels, makes a bounce, makes a nice break of structure, then that would probably give me the confidence to tell me that it is a wave B and that we can sort it to the downside for a wave C like I was showing on the 4 hour and the daily time frame. So if you follow your structure, follow price, then you should be able to tell the difference between whether it's a wave B or whether it's just going to keep on continuing the uptrend in that wave 5. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.